Hello lovelies, hello family, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be about how to make a mesh stitch, and it's a beginner friendly as well, so please sit right back and let's enjoy. So the yarn I'm going to use is this is called the Starlight, and it's 100% polypropylene, and so it is close to acrylic yarn or acrylic nature, I would say. And the next thing I'll be using is this 2.10mm hook as well. So let's continue with the video. We're going to start off with a simple slip stitch. So this is what I do. Okay, now you can use any other yarn of your choice. You don't need the same yarn for this tutorial. Okay, so you can use any yarn of your choice and then you are good to go. So this is a simple slip stitch. Okay, and so I'm going to make about 40 chains. And so the chain, whatever chain you make, should be an even number. So my 40 chains are ready. So the next thing to do is that you're going to count 6 chains away from the hook. So you're going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to work with double crochet. All right, so I yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I go through the 6th chain from the hook, away from the hook, like that. And so the next thing to do is that I make a chain, then I skip 1 chain from the bottom part here, I yarn over, and I go through the next chain. Then I chain again, then I skip, I go to the next chain. I make a chain, I skip, so we're going to be left with last 2 chains. So we skip this chain and then we go through the last chain. Okay. All right, now this is the first row. The first row is done. Okay, we're beginning to form to create the mesh stitch. Okay, now to turn our work, we have to chain. I have already done 1 chain, so we add 3 more chains to it. So in total we're going to have 4 chains, okay, from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you turn your work like that, and then you go through the top here. This is the very first double crochet we did. Make a chain, So you see, this happens sometimes. Please be careful. So when you do this, now I didn't leave any chain, I just went directly down here. Okay, so when you don't, you forget to do this, the space here will be small, and then your work is not going to look nice. All right, so don't forget. Then you chain. Yeah. So the next row is going to be a repetition of the second row. All right, so you make 4 chains. So it's going to 1 2 3, then 4. Turn your work, and then you go through the double crochet, the top, make a chain, and then it continues. So this is it, guys. This is only a sample of how to make a simple mesh stitch. So the mesh stitch can be made into cover-ups, can be made into bags, can be made into pockets. So this is also an example. So it's a combination of gray and dark green. Okay, so this is just to tell you that you can add colors to making your mesh stitch. Okay, and eventually turning it into your a project of your own choice. And then I would also like to show you this. So I made a pocket for this bag, and it's a mesh stitch that I used. Look at that. Okay, so it's huge and it's beautiful. I can put my purse, even my purse, my phones, my sunglasses with its case and everything. See, it's a pocket, and I use a mesh stitch. You can also give it a try. Okay, and please, whenever you have to subscribe, kindly do so to press on the bell, the notification, to receive new uploads whenever I put any video out there to share with you. I always love to share and to also show you what I have. Okay, that is my main concern. And I would see you on my next tutorial, guys. Please share, comment, and like to your friends and loved ones. Okay, let's learn something new, right? So sorry for my voice today. Yeah, and I would see you soon. Okay, have a nice time. Bye bye.